Hey everybody, welcome to March 2026. We've got a lot of new content coming real soon on the channel. But before we talk about that, I just wanted to thank everyone who has stuck around over the last couple months and watched reruns on the channel. For those of you that don't know, I have a much larger channel that's aviation based with over 14,000 subscribers. So between these two channels, it is a lot of effort, and over the winter I kind of got a little burnt out from YouTube. So for the last couple months on both channels, I basically just had a lot of posts scheduled, and they were both kind of on autopilot. I wasn't really making a whole lot of new content. And in January, we went on a vacation for about half the month to Vietnam for a friend's wedding. So after we came back from that, I started to get back on the computer and I edited some old videos of some projects that have been finished for a little while now. I just needed to get around to editing the videos. Once February hit, I got back into the shop. I was also a little burnt out on being in the shop. I do work a full-time job, so wood turning is a hobby to me, and I don't want it to ever feel like I have to get a certain amount of projects pushed out for either sales or for video creations. Like I said, it is a hobby and I want to keep it that way, so if I ever feel like I am getting burnt out, it's really easy for me to just take a step back. So like I said, that's not at all my primary source of income. I do make a little bit of money off this channel, as well as some of the sales we do in the markets. So coming soon, we are hopefully going to be adding another market to our repertoire for the spring and summer. We have been doing the Sunday Artisan Market in Ann Arbor, which we will be returning to this year. We do mainly artistic pieces in that one, and we've kind of figured out what's working good as far as price ranges and types of pieces. So a lot more to come of that. And then what we would like to do is we are trying to add a second market this year, which will be a farmer's market, and we'll be doing more natural stuff like salad bowls and small bowls like that. So coming in the next couple months, you will see some live streams of some finish work for some projects we started last year that'll be finished, some smaller natural edge bowls and a lot of salad bowls to meet the demand of what we need for the market. So now we'll go ahead and give a little preview of some of the projects that are coming on the channel soon. Some of these are already done and the videos are edited. Some of them I have just finished and still need to edit the videos. And then some of these projects are still in work. So not really sure what we'll be doing for a posting schedule as far as those, but it'll probably be one a week. And then, like I said, I plan on doing some live streams, finishing up some medium salad bowls, some small salad bowls, and then we've got some natural edge bowls that seem to do really well at the market. So again, each one of these projects is its own video. So thank you again for sticking around through the last couple months, and stay tuned for some new content.